koromgaji wang piny owacho mar kaonti ma Isiolo oting'o badgi ni midhiero mar oro omuomo gi kendo koro gikwa kony mapiyo mar reso oganda. E lendo ma ogol kod gavana ma kaonti no Abdi Guyo kendo osom kod jatend weche tudruok e kaonti no Hussein Salesa oro maliyo masani okwako gwengego mano higni 60 mokalo. Tend kaunti no yangi ni maloji 100,000 kod jamni mahao milion 1 midhiero ma ikelo kod oro nuro kendo gikwa piny owacho mamalo kod jochiw sirwa moko mondo mi ochwalie kony mar reso ngima oganda kod jamni koting'o kony mag omenda, chiemo jamni, pi kod kony mamoko. Gavana Guyo koni orono bende onyuolo gwandruok e kind jodak makona malaro kuonde kwath kod pi manok mayudre gi sani.
Fellow Isiolo residents, I stand before you today to declare a state of emergency in our county of Isiolo due to the severe drought that we are currently experiencing. Isiolo County and the larger northern Kenya is experiencing its worst drought in 60 years. As you all know, the effect of drought in asal areas have been devastating and taken a massive toll on our communities. Crops have failed, water sources have dried up, and our livestock are dying in thousands. This has severely threatened a crucial source of livelihood for the majority of our people. Our cows and goats are dying as herders watch helplessly. Mothers are trekking kilometers in search of drinking water, children dropping out of school due to hunger and increase of drought. Fuel insecurity as people fight over scarce pasture and water points. The lives of more than 100,000 people, 200,000 heads of cattle, 400,000 goats, 350,000 sheep, and 40,000 camels in Isiolo County are at risk as the drought ravages on. Your support will be put to good use to address the needs of the affected communities. Together, we can make a real difference in the lives of those that are suffering due